Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this short meditation you can do anywhere and anytime you might feel overwhelmed, stressed, or anxious. Wherever you are, standing or sitting, just find a comfortable shape and close your eyes. Now take 2 sips of air through the nose. Long exhale through the mouth. And again. One more. With every exhale, let your body soften a little bit more. Let any momentum from your day just wash away. And might you relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, and your shoulders, completely letting go. And might you imagine your mind wide open like a vast blue sky, just relaxing back into this space for a few breaths. Might you repeat to yourself, everything is always working out for me. As you say this to yourself, feel it through your whole being. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. Might you set an intention to allow any feelings of calm and ease that you've tapped into to flow through the rest of your day. And if you find yourself getting anxious, remember your affirmation. Everything is always working out for me. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I release a new video every week. So if you like this meditation, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel and come back to this practice anytime you want to tap into those feelings of calm and ease. Have an amazing day. Namaste.